Hello guys, my name is Diego Villasana and today I'm going to show you how to make some pork chops with an applesauce. And for this recipe we are going to use some pork chops, white wine, butter, an apple, salt, pepper, and cinnamon. And the first step in this recipe is going to be the cut of the apple, okay? You can cut it in half, okay? Then you have to cut it in half again, and you can remove the center of the apple, okay? We are going to do this in our whole apple, and then we are going to cut it in slices, no thin slices. We want these big pieces in our recipe. Okay, here is the final result of the cuts of the apple, and to prevent to be oxidate, we are going to put it in a little bit of water with some drops of lime juice, and this is going to help us to prevent the oxidation. Okay, and then we are going to pass through the step number 2. Okay, the next step is to seal our pork chops, and we are going to season with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Okay, remember to do it in both sides, and we are going to add some butter, the half of the butter of the recipe, and also a little bit of oil. Okay, and it's a medium high the fire. Okay, we are going to wait for our pan to have the enough temperature to seal our pork chops, and then we are going to put it over here. Okay, and remember to season both sides. I'm going to do the same with the other one. Okay. Okay, and we are going to let it cook for about 1 or 2 minutes for each side. Okay, at this point we are going to flip our pork chops, and we want this. Okay, we want to seal them. We want this brown color in our whole pork chop. Okay, and we are going to let it cook for another 2 minutes of this side. Okay, and at this point we are going to see aside our chops. Look, they are they have a really good color. This is ready. It's already sealed, and we are going to deglaze with a little bit of white wine. Okay. This is going to help us to have a better sauce, because all the flavors are stick at the bottom of our pan. Try to reach them and get it the most as you can. And in this point we are going to simmer this. We are going to put this in a very low fire, and we are going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile we are doing the reduction. We are going to saute our apples, and we are going to add the other half of the butter in a saucepan, and we are going to let it melt really good, and we are going to add our apples. Remember to drain all the water. Okay? And we are going to let it cook here for about 4 or 5 minutes. We are going to add a pinch of cinnamon, and we are going to let it cook really good. Okay. Okay, at this point this is the result that we want. Okay, and then we are going to put this over here. We are going to add our pork chops. Okay, and we are going to add also all the apples. Okay, and we are going to let it cook this for about another 5 minutes, and it's going to be ready. Okay, and we are ready to plate our dish. Okay, we are going to make a base, some apples. Okay, and we are going to add a pork chop this side, this way. We are going to add going to add the others like this. And a little bit of apples on top. And finally we are going to put our sauce on top. I let it reduce for about 10 minutes. And we are going to take our finally we are going to garnish with some chips. And this is the final result. This is our pork chops with an applesauce. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe as I did. And thank you for watching and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.